What's good, LouieXIII? Who is LouieXIII? Back again. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give me a like, share it with your friends, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see, man. Tell me what you guys want to talk about, and we're gonna get to it. I appreciate you guys for being here with me today. If you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use, all links are in the description below. Go ahead and purchase through that link and help your boy out. I appreciate that as well. But anyways, as you've seen in the thumbnail and in the caption, we got a little race lined up for you guys today. Now this all happened on a little trip that we took about a week ago or so. And I mean, you guys would be familiar with some of this footage if you've seen the video I dropped when I raced the Q50. If not, go back and check that out because some of this footage is on there and more. So go check that out if you haven't already. But we're gonna get right into it. You know, we ain't gonna waste too much time. We got my boy Ed in the ProCharged Mustang Coyote 5.0. There it is.
Oh, do you hear him talking about Ed now?
Hey, what's your IG, Ed?
Cash Cavadon.
Cash Cavadon, go follow him. What else is in there besides the ProCharger?
Shelby GT 350 manifold, injectors, JMS boost pump. Basically pretty much it. Basic.
Basically.
Basic.
There it is, you guys heard it. He's going up against the twin turbo BMW 335i. And that thing is quick, man, I ain't gonna lie. My boy in the BMW showed up pretty late, so they were only able to get one in, or a few in, but I only got one of the videos because the other one wasn't as good as the one that I got. But we got a lot more lined up with the BMW and, you know, the 370 and a lot of other vehicles in Royal Society and a lot of other vehicles just in that area in general. Of course, all of this took place in Mexico, so you know it's real close over there where they're from, so it's not that far of a trip. We head over there real quick, do what we gotta do, and you already know how it goes. But yeah, man, we got the ProCharger against the twin turbos. And obviously the BMW is a lot lighter of a vehicle. I don't know what else he has in there, but he has to have some other stuff as well. I think he explained it to me, but it was so late at that point, man. I don't even remember. I was kind of out of it. But to be honest, Ed's been catching bodies left and right. I mean, he caught another BMW that night. Not familiar with that video I dropped, go check it out. That's when I raced the Q50. We got more coming with them as well. But yeah, like I said, Ed's been catching bodies left and right, so I didn't really think this one would be that close. And honestly, I didn't really know what he had in it either. The BMW is who I'm referring to, but it ended up being a lot closer than I thought. It was actually very close. So you guys check that out, and then we'll come right back and talk about it. So there you have it, very close run. There was a few other ones, but the quality wasn't very good, but they were all very close just like that. And like I said, we got a lot more. I mean, we got someone in our crew who has a 370 with twin turbos. I think he has twin turbos. He has some other stuff to it as well that's quick as hell. So I know that would be a good run for the BMW. I think they might run it coming up here pretty soon. So we got a lot more content coming with those guys over there. So stay tuned for all of that. It's about to be very lit. Make sure you go follow my boy Ed. Go follow my boy in the BMW. Go follow everybody that's in the video, man. They all got dope whips and they all got a lot of dope content on the way. But a few runs happen, and this happens to be one of those runs that happened that night. If you guys are familiar with my channel, then you know A-Rod. A-Rod the truth right here. Let's go follow him.
Well, because Ed's
got a dope whip. Go follow him. He has a dope whip, the Cali Special. Here's a little clip of him and Manny having a little fun on our way over. see what Manny got.
So show it off. What? The nitrous plates? Oh.
Go follow him. Go follow him right there. Manny 1320 underscore. See the crew. They both got YouTubes and Instagram, so go follow them. They got some dope stuff. But one of the runs that happened was A-Rod in his Cali Special. Versus one of the guys over there in Royal Society. He had a Nissan 370Z on nitrous. Who's he racing?
He's racing A-Rod.
A-Rod? Oh shit.
Just like that.
Got the bottle there. And you know, I'll let A-Rod explain to you what each of those vehicles have. Oh, it's A-Rod. You're gonna run the 370, right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
So I know you told me before you had the fucking manifolds, right?
302 boss manifold and PMAS cold air intake.
There it is.
Yes sir, and a flex fuel tune, so I could either put 91 or E85 whenever I want.
There it is. And you already know, I showed you the tag already. Go follow him. Diversity. This beast right here. And what does that guy have? He has the bottle and...
I want to say it's a full bolt-on 370 and he has the bottle. We're going to do one race without the bottle, one race with the bottle.
Oh shit. There it is. We're getting some runs in. So there you have it. You know, should be a pretty good run. They did one run on nitrous and one run off nitrous. The first run is no nitrous. The second run is nitrous. So we'll get to that. You guys check it out and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. There goes A-Rod and the 370Z. Or are they gonna run it from right here? They're doing a dig? Looks like A-Rod got it, huh? All right, so there you have it, man. Some good runs, clean runs. You know, A-Rod got him. That Cali Special ain't nothing to play with, man. I know he has a lot more in store for us, so you guys go check him out, man. It's nothing to play with, like I said. We got a lot more content coming with those guys over there. You know, we got some more stuff lined up, so you know, stay tuned for all of that. Other than that, man, you know, just a real quick video showing you guys a little bit of the runs that happened. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Give me a like, share it with your friends, drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. Who is LouieXIII checking out? I appreciate you guys so much as always. Catch you on the next one. Salute.